Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another hair unit review, honey. Yes, look at the curls, look at the bounce, look at the body, yaddy yaddy yaddy. Yo, this is one of my favorite hair units ever. If you watch my videos for some time, or even just about a good couple of videos back, I feel like I have this hair unit on about a good 85% of the time. I order her faithfully. I probably have about a good 5 of them purchased throughout the year, and that's because that's how often I wear this. This is like my signature. If I had a signature look, this would be my signature look. I have her all the time. She goes with everything, and I like these type of curls on my hair, my head structure, and I just feel like it makes every outfit and every makeup look just look extra glam and put together because of this hair unit. Yes, I am not Indie Irie. I am my hair. Like, I feel like my hair makes the whole complete final look. So yes, this is what this hair gives me. So really quick before I get into the details about this hair unit, I'm sorry I didn't even properly introduce myself. Hello you guys, I am NESHA for those who are new, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo. I have been giving you guys some Valentine inspired hair units for the month of February, and this is another one of them. I mean, I feel like she's good for all year round, but I definitely give like Valentine vibes because of the layers and the curls and stuff in here. Like this can definitely be pulled off for a Valentine hair unit. And like I said, she's on rotation about a good 85% of the time on my head. Seriously. She comes differently every single time. Sometimes she looks more thicker, sometimes she comes a little bit thinner, sometimes the curls don't match each other, but it's like a surprise, and I just feel different and just feel beautiful every single time I do order this hair unit. So before I get into the specs and the pros and the cons and stuff like that about this hair, let me do a really quick unboxing of this hair unit and show you guys how I got this, because it did not come out looking like this in the beginning, but it's easy to get here. So anywho, let's just go ahead and check that out. Alright, so we are back. This is what she looks like. I am so happy with what I did to her. Like, I feel like I'm getting definitely better with my hair unit, so pat on the back for me. First of all, what I like right off the top about this hair unit is that you really don't have to do that much to get her that kind of like slayish look, because I'm not the best when it comes to laying down my hair units. I'm pretty sure there's people who can do above and beyond, you know, pluck the hairlines a lot better, especially like in between here. But I ain't trying to do all that, okay? Not trying to do all of that, but like, you can definitely make this unit look even more above and beyond from what I just did to this hair unit. So really quick, the things that I did that I was not able to capture on the camera, being that I don't have a lot of good plug options in my beauty room. So I did go in with a flat iron and just flatten this parts right here, because it gets like really poofy. But how I straighten it, I kind of have the pressing comb all the way to here, and I purposely stop it here so that way I won't comb out any other curls, because I feel like the curls are definitely more higher. So if you want higher curls, then don't go all the way down with the pressing comb like I did. But I've learned this unit, I know what looks good on my head structure, so this looks good having a flat right here and then having the curls just come out boom like this, the Farrah Fawcett type of style. Then yes, this is what gives. Like, girl, okay. And usually I don't use the baby hair when it comes to this hair unit, but I've been doing a lot better on that. So I was like, let me just challenge myself and rock the baby hairs, and I think they look good. I don't like for my baby hairs to match, because like when I do wear my own natural baby hairs, they don't match, and I just feel like it looks more freestyle and more realistic when I do it that way. So yeah, I got a little swoop here, nothing here, swoop here, and a swoopy doobie doobie here, so it looks different, but it gives off a little bit of realistic to me, in my opinion. And I'll come in close so you guys can see the part. The part is looking good. Looks really good for this to be a synthetic wig. I usually spray my hair units with the tint spray, but I don't know where she at. I have not been able to find her for quite some time now, so using the little foundation method works the same way. I kind of actually like this method a lot better than actually me spraying my hair unit and tinting it. It's just a personal preference is what you like to do, but I will leave everything down in the description box of what I do use for my hair units. Everything is brought to you by Amazon. You can check everything out on Amazon. I love getting Amazon stuff when it comes to the hair unit, because I feel like it come fast shipping, because I do the overnight. A lot of these products you can have it shipped like overnight or in the morning, depending on what time you put it in. So it comes really fast, and I like that. And one thing that I've introduced to the game that I feel like it's definitely made this hair unit looks amazing is a hair wax stick. I never had a hair wax stick, and I didn't feel like it was needed when it came to a synthetic wig, but yes, let me tell you, it is. Boom, it is. It makes it a lot better. It makes it look more humanified, if that's a word. It makes it look more human, realistic in a sense. So what I did is, when I went in with the flat iron, I just took this wax stick and I just brushed it right in between the hairlines. Did it like that, and then I took this right here, brushed it this way, and then wherever I put this wax at, I took that flat iron and it gave it more of that flat, more of that sleek look, and it looks so freaking beautiful. And this also helps with the flyaways of the hair that comes with cutting the lace and everything. So this works really good. This is by She Is Bomb collection. This is the hair wax stick. So this is what she looks like. I have bought two of them. I don't know why I bought two of them. I guess I wanted to see which one was going to work for a synthetic wig, but this one works really good. I have no like disappointments whatsoever with her. Pretty much showed you guys everything else except for the flat iron part, and that's all that I did. It's really not that hard. If I can do it, you can do it too, boo. Trust me, I'm not a hair expert at it. All right, so now my pros and cons. I want to give you guys a little bit of mix. I'm not going to put them in order. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of my ups and downs about this hair unit. First of all, she's beautiful, she's gorgeous, she gives you them beautiful curls. I feel like she does last a little bit longer, more than my other synthetic wigs. She's easy to maintain to a certain extent. Yeah, to a certain extent. And what I mean by that is, depending on what you're doing with this hair. So if you're out partying somewhere like very steamy and hot, then I feel like she's not going to give you that longevity of a hair wear when it comes to this hair. But for me, I'm wearing it to when I have to go to work or when I'm doing tutorials. Like, I'm not doing some really outrageous things, so she lasts for a really good while. And then when it's time for me to go to bed or when I'm coming home from work, to be honest, I take her right off. Okay, there's no need for me to sleep in her. But if I was to sleep in her, I would definitely pin curl. I would keep these because this is what comes with the hair unit. I would definitely keep these into the hair, roll this back up so that way it keeps the curls nice and fluffy right here, pin it up, and put a hair bonnet on. Okay, and even if you don't leave this on your hair, I feel like that's another way of storing and keeping these curls on. I sometimes keep these on. It depends. Honestly, sometimes I forget, I get too lazy, get too comfortable, and just take the hair unit off and put it back in this hair net and then put it back in the box. And sometimes I forget to put this back on, and then eventually these curls right here do drop a lot frequently from, you know, wearing it so often, but it still gives out a beautiful look in a sense. I guess it's up to you. The good thing about this hair unit is that it's easy for me to flip some curls back into the hair unit to give it that illusion that none of my curls fell. So even when it gets like really like kind of like bird's nest back here, I can easily, you know, tame it, put a little bit of spray in it, and then curl it back up, and it gives it a little bit of illusion that it's holding up a little bit better than usual. But after a while, you know, keep doing that, it is going to run this course and be bye-bye birdie. But I feel like with this, if I'm wearing it, let's see, let me give you guys a good like math equation on how I wear this hair unit. I probably wear her about a good like 4 times out of the week, depending on if I don't have any other wigs to rotate with her. So usually like 3-4 times out of the week. She will last me for about a good month and a half, so almost 2 months. And that's if I don't have any other wigs on rotation. Now if I have more wigs on rotation and not wearing her that often, then she'll last even longer than that. But I swear to you guys, like, I purchase her about a good 5 times out of the year, depending on how often I want my curls to look more fresh. And oddly, I've never got any other wild colors that this unit comes in. It comes in really amazing, beautiful colors, and I think I'm going to do that the next time I put an order in for this hair unit, is get her in color, because she's beautiful, and I think she look even more beautiful with colors because of the hair layers and the flips. Like, why not, sis? Why not? But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Shedding, it's normal for any hair, normal hair, synthetic hair, whatever. Shedding is going to shed. The bird's nest is going to nest back here in the back, so just make sure you keep your hair combed throughout the day. I do put some detangling spray throughout my hair units before and after I take it off, so that way it maintains and keeps that luscious like look. This is like my favorite hair unit, y'all. Y'all have seen me so many times wearing this hair unit. She's just absolutely beautiful. Like, I have nothing else to say but just to cop her. If you need her, get her, okay? I will have everything listed down at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this hair unit review video, and I'll see you guys on my next upload. Bye.